Hello everyone, my name is Gavin, and this will be a tutorial on how to toggle the debug properties in the top left corner of the game view when you play, how to turn those on and off when you're actually playing the game using some Python. Because every now and then they can be annoying, but they're useful when you want to just test some stuff out. So yeah, I'll show you how to toggle them. Alright, I'm just going to get started. So let's go from defaults to game logic and go from Blender Vendor to Blender Game. And to toggle them, what we're going to need is a Boolean operator property. So add a game property boolean. I'll name this as toggle, and I'm going to select this eye right here really quick. And what we're going to do is add a keyboard sensor space with tap selected, and I'll just put spacebar as the key. And let's add an actuator, and this actuator will be a property actuator from assign to toggle, and we'll be toggling the property toggle. So we should see, if we do game and then show debug properties, we can just toggle that Boolean operator true or false. But what we want to happen is have it so that when it's false, it's not going to display up there. Because as you can see, it shows whether or not it's true or false in that top left corner. So let's do a little Python scripting. So let's add an always sensor, add a Python controller, and connect it like this. And let's do templates Python and then game logic simple. Drag this out and delete the portion I have highlighted right here. Hit Control and scroll up on your mouse to make your text larger, and rename this as script.py and add this right here. What we now want to do is just do own.debug is going to equal own toggle. So we should see now if I hit play and it goes to false, it turns invisible. And you can see if I were to tap maybe a bunch of these and just go down the list here and click all these eyes, they're all going to show up when it's true, but when I toggle it, it's going to disappear when it's false. True, false, true, false. Alright guys, I hope you found that useful.